Hello once again, welcome to Heartbeat Info. So right now I'm just there for inside the way now we just did so. So today we'll carry us enter inside a brand new construction work when the Edo State government just do for here. So the thing they very good, and they very like e good to mention wetin they still dey do for inside this our great city. Right now we see a lot of improvements, a lot of good works for inside Benin, and we dey hope say more go still dey come for inside this great city, So right now we dey for inside the way slash the Sapele Road slash the Ipokuan. Na im this work for happen, so now the roundabout wey dey for this area na im we see say the authorities don fix, because this place before na traffic dey for here, and the way the street light be, you see police for here, you see what they lis ten for here, people wey dey catch people wey dey beat traffic, different things na im dey for inside this place. But right now we come see say better things don start to happen for inside this road. First of all, you see say they don do this particular separation between this car wey dey come, they dey go third east circular road. This car wey dey come from third circular road, while this car wey dey go so they dey go Ipokuan. This car wey dey go so now, they dey go the Ipokuan Sapele road, while this one dey come so they dey go third east circular road. Before this place before dey jam packed. Right now come say they don work on inside this place. Right now dey for inside the way name this one so now. So we see say they don already divide this road now, and even the walkway. Yes, I no really see walkway for Benin like this now when they come to put iron for here. I no really know wetin make they put am, but I feel say the thing dey very good, and kudos to the Edo State government when do this particular place. And we say the traffic light for here say na new modern traffic lights when they put for inside here. I think they very good. So we waka around this place. We will start from this place, we come go the Sapele Road side, go Ipokuan side, go Sapele Road side, they come back to this way, so that we will see how this road truly be from beginning to the ending, so that we will really see with our eyes, not be seeing our person dey tell us. Now we will really see how this road really be, how the road truly be. So the thing is very nice. So we see the markings and everything for inside this place. So this place dey very good. So I want to say a big welcome to you to Heartbeat Info. If this is your first time when you come to Heartbeat Info, I want to say a big welcome to you. And if you haven't come before, I want to say a big welcome to you. Welcome to Heartbeat Info. So these cars when they wait for phone, so now they come from Sapele Road. This is why they wait, and because they go ring road side, they see they go straight. That's why they see they wait. That side that way they wait now, they come from Ipokuan now, so they go the Sapele Road side. You see, I think Koreans they very organized. Like seriously, think they very organized. More don't forget, see, we don't come through this place, so when they construct it, we don't first show them before. So right now we come now see, as they see the constructor, the thing never become 100% finished work. The construction work is still go on. I feel say they don't do like 80%, but we see the thing done already. They very okay. More don't forget, right now see we do for inside the rainy season, for inside this our great city. For inside the rainy season, so we see how this place be. This place is very marvelous. So I see people go for the rest for the railways and wait. If this place right now, the place they very like it is very calm. I don't feel explain how this place will be, because this place before it did rowdy, like everybody did on high tension here. But right now, yeah, can be very good. So that one a very nice thing by the state government. But you see how they see the market here now. So they can't carry this thing go this other lane now. That one is separate road for this road now. They go the back now, so now separate. They go the ring road. Why this one just face so now? They go separate road, Ipopan, or the third is circular road. These cars now they come the left hand side so now. These cars now they go third is circular road now. They go that way now. That's why they come this side. So the ones only for this side now, middle, they go separate road. The one who go this corner now, they go Ipopan. And the thing I say, the traffic light and the work, and I never see any official for here. For the Ipopan area now, the Ipopan road now, we just this one. This place not just this one, that be the Ipopan side of the road now. This we shall say the traffic they walk, and the people when they cross now, it can't be very easy to cross this road. Before to cross this road now, very hard thing, very hard thing, because everything I don't cross before, I know how hard this place be. But right now the thing just changed. Practically speaking, it just changed now. So to cross this road and to do everything now won't be much more easier. But yeah, so therefore the Ipopan side of this this traffic work and this construction work where the Edo State government do for here. So that one a very nice thing. I have to say kudos to the Edo State government who do this particular road. So I want to say a big thank you to you, the watcher waiting for. Thank you very much to you who support me financially. Also God will bless you. Thank you very much. And you will give us advice on how to work out for inside this our great city. Also thank you very much. Right now, we see how organized this place be now. This place is very, 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 very organized right now. See how now, see the cars dey wait, and we no, there's no official for here o, no single official person wey say dey watch people when dey break the traffic now, e no just dey. So I don't know where these people dey, because right now dem dey catch drivers wey dey beat traffic for inside Benin. So this one na marvelous work by the Edo State government. So I have to just really say marvelous work right now for inside there, because we know how this place really be. Say this place no dey at all, not just dey face challenge for here, but right now the thing just improve, like 100% just improve. So those of the Edo State government when dey do this, wey do this particular road. Now this place now will be the transformer when you power all the street light for you now. The street light for you now be the power. Man, this road here, frankly speaking, the town now. I will say they never finish this particular road though. So they still dey construct am. So they watch to see how this place will be finally when they don finally finish this particular road. So they watch to see how this place will be finally when they don finish this particular road. So very soon now we come to the end of this video. So I want to say a big thank you to you, the watch out beautiful. Thank you very much to you supporting financially. I want to say God will bless you. Thank you very much. And you will give us first how to work out for inside our great city, good city. Also thank you very, very much. And to meet again on another work. Have a blessed day and also remain blessed. Thank you very, very much.